Homie can actually generate practice quizzes. All I have to do is snip a page and ask, generate 10 quiz questions to practice. It immediately gives me a list of questions based on the content, and if I want the answers too, I simply follow up with, answer all the above questions, and boom, Homie gives the full answer key. If you want practice based on a specific curriculum, just ask. I can say, based on the recent CBSE assessment rules, generate questions for me to practice, and it delivers exactly that. MCQs, short answers, long answers, even case study-based questions aligned with the pattern. As you can see, Homie makes textbooks truly interactive. It's designed to help you learn better, ask smarter questions, and save time. Just do try Homie for free at www.meritutor.ai/homie. We are offering free trials to everyone, and you don't need a credit card to sign up for it. Thank you so much.